Hello, greetings, and welcome. Firstly, thanks for subscribing and purchasing this course. If you have not yet so, please understand that this course will offer you a lot of uh, good knowledge around the areas of software, information technology, engineering, and general project management. This is a journey from beginner to intermediate level course. Um, so in this first lecture, I will walk you through in a brief way about my profile, and then we'll understand the course pedagogy, the syllabus, and things like that. Let's move on to the next slide. So this is my profile. And if you see, I have worked with global companies with roles like associate software engineer, systems engineer, IT analyst, technical test lead, operations manager, manager service delivery, and so on and so forth. My qualifications include Bachelor of Engineering from India, Master of Science in Business Administration with General Management and Information Technology along with Engineering from US, and also a Doctorate in Engineering Administration US. I have got certifications from reputed institutes across the globe, be it the engineering schools or the business schools. And yeah, you can check my LinkedIn profile for more details. Yeah, that's about it. Course pedagogy. Okay, this is one of the important things that we need to look into. So totally it'll be 8 days. Yes, of course, it is personal choice. So you can make the fragmentations and learn it probably even in a month or probably as short as 2, 3 days. Depends on the whether you want to have a longer burst of sessions or a shorter burst of sessions. However, it fits your comfort factor um, that augurs well for the learning perspective. We will cover basically end-to-end intermediate level engineering, software, information technology, and general project management syllabus. There will be a small feedback and test towards the end of the session, which is optional, of course. Well, looking at the prerequisites, it is not much. Basic level of education is sufficient to learn this course. Moving on to the next slide. The modus of teaching, it will be a combination of slides and resources or handouts with voice-based explanation. Okay, getting into the syllabus and thick of things. Day zero is what we are doing currently. We are looking at the self introduction about the instructor, syllabus and roadmap introduction, basically for software, information technology, engineering, and general project management course from beginner to intermediate. Next, on day one, we will shift to general project management basic concepts. Here we will cover all the related concepts that are essential for you to grow and enhance your skill level and knowledge base on these topics. So it will form as a foundation. Day two, we will move to the initiation stage. Day three, will move to the planning stage. Day four, will move to the execution stage. Day five to control and monitoring stage. Moving on to day six, we'll go to the closure stage. Day seven, we'll have the hands-on for a project management tool by the name Jira. And day 8 will culminate with the optional feedback assessment exam. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you. This is the end of class for the first lecture. And then let's move on to the subsequent uh, classes going forward where the actual syllabus begins. Thanks. Take care. Bye.